what is this topic all about? Why do we have to bother? So before giving you getting into the concept, so I just wanted to explain you that we are so much motivated to dive deep into this subject, initially from the geometrical perspective. So and then later we realized we had so many applications in engineering and also in designing. So even if we need to construct or if we need to design anything, and trigonometry laid a very basic foundation for everything. Let's say, for example, to give one practical application. Okay. So there is a very tall building standing out there. Let's say this red line is a building and Ishan is standing somewhere here. Okay. And what I know is, so Ishan is standing this far from this building. Let's say, for example, you are standing 10 meters away from the base of this building. And I know when you look at the top, your head elevates. I mean, like the way you tilt your head seems like it makes some elevation of about uh okay, elevation of about some 40 degree approximately. Let's assume that. Okay. Now, this is one very simple thing. So what it's easy for me to measure is, it's easy for me to measure your elevation from, just you look at the top of the building, it's easy for me to measure your elevation. I measure it as 40 degrees using some any measuring instruments or like that. And what is so easier for me to measure is to measuring how far you stand from the base of the building. And is it possible for me to find the height of this building? Answer is yes, using trigonometric ratios. So this is one simple applications of where you will apply trigonometry. It's not just confined with finding the height of a building. It's confined with, let's say, for example, an aircraft. It deviates 1 degree, and you know how far it's deviating from the target. Let's say, for example, in case if it deviates 5 degree from this course, okay, and if someone is asking you how far, let's say, for example, this is the destiny, and engineers will be able to tell how far this will miss the landing target. Yeah. So it's all, so everywhere you see the applications of trigonometry applies. It's a lot, so it's very interesting to see how trigonometry is applied. So this is the basic idea. So it just lays the very base foundation of the trigonometry, and this is also connected with coordinate geometry. And in my opinion, it's not only that you study one subject and try to connect it with multiple other topics, your understanding will definitely improve. So okay, this is one motivation